One thing the print module allows you to do is add either text or a logo to your photo, and this is done inside of the page panel. The first option you can select is the identity plate. This allows you to add text or logo anywhere in the document. If I click on it once, it appeared in the middle there. I'll go ahead and move it out of the way so you can see it. This identity plate is something that you can set up outside of the print module as well. If you go up to the top left, where it has the Lightroom logo, and right-click, you can select a personalized identity plate. Now the text on the top left, along with the font and the colors of all of the module selectors on the top right, are personalized. I'm going to bring that back to the regular Lightroom setting. And to edit this, click once over that identity plate in the page panel and select Edit. You can use either stylized text, like I have here, or you can choose a graphical identity plate. Click on Locate File to choose the image that you want to work with. PNG files are usually best because they have transparent backgrounds. And you can also save or load presets as well. I have one with my logo that I've already saved, so I'll go ahead and click on that. It's pretty large, so you can't quite see it inside of the preview there. And I'll click OK. Now the identity plate is changed to my logo. I can resize this inside of the document and relocate it as well. Another option that you could do if you were creating this type of fine art mat is to create a saved preset with your signature, and that will kind of give it the impression that you've signed your print. Another thing you can do is watermark your photo. I'm going to go ahead and access one of my previous prints that I've created. Watermarking is different because it doesn't just add one thing to a page, it adds it to all of the photos. If I click on watermarking in the page panel, nothing really happens yet because I don't have any presets created. So I'll click on the drop-down and select Edit Watermark. If you want to use a text watermark, just edit your type and use the options on the right to decide how you want it to look. You can also add a graphic watermark as well just by clicking on that and selecting the file. I'm going to click Save to save this as a preset. And now on each of the images, I have my watermark applied. It also rotates depending on the orientation of the photograph. This works well if you're doing proof prints for a client or you just want your watermark on each individual photo that you have on your print page.